Welcome. If you've ever needed a break from chat calls on Snapchat but didn't want to block or unfriend anyone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute a friend's chat calls for 8 hours on Snapchat using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of all your Snapchat friends. Find the friend whose calls you want to mute. When you spot their name, press and hold down on it until a menu pops up. From the menu that appears, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner and tap on them. This will open up more options. Now, select Chat and Notification Settings. Inside the Chat and Notification Settings, tap on Notification Settings. Here's where you can customize how you're notified by this friend. You'll see an option labeled Mute Calls. Toggle this on. Once you do, Snapchat will ask how long you want to mute calls from this friend. Select for 8 hours. That's it. Calls from this friend will be silenced for the next 8 hours, giving you some well-deserved peace and quiet. This feature is perfect if you're heading into a meeting, studying, or just need a break without missing out on other notifications. Remember, after 8 hours, call notifications from that friend will resume automatically, so you won't miss anything important in the long run. If you ever want to unmute them before the 8 hours are up, just follow these same steps and toggle off the mute option. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips and tricks on managing your Snapchat experience, don't forget to check out the rest of our channel. Enjoy your quiet time.